The next thing we'll be covering are the integrated tools in Azure Migrate. The Azure Migrate Hub includes these tools: Azure Migrate Discovery and Assessment. Discover and assess servers including SQL and web apps. Discover and assess on-premises servers running on VMware, Hyper-V, and physical servers in preparation for migration to Azure. Migration and modernization. Migrate servers. Migrate VMware VMs, Hyper-V VMs, physical servers, other virtualized servers, and public cloud VMs to Azure. Data Migration Assistant. Assess SQL Server databases for migration to Azure SQL Database, Azure SQL Managed Instance, or Azure VMs running SQL Server. Data Migration Assistant assesses SQL servers, identifies potential migration problems, unsupported features, and suggests the best path for database migration. Azure Database Migration Service. Migrate on-premises databases to Azure VMs running SQL Server, Azure SQL Database, or SQL Managed Instances. Azure Database Migration Service is a managed service for seamless migrations to Azure data platforms with minimal downtime. Mover. Assess servers. Mover is a SaaS platform that enhances business intelligence by accurately depicting environments within a day. Web App Migration Assistant. Assess on-premises web apps and migrate them to Azure. Azure App Service Migration Assistant is a standalone tool to assess on-premises websites for migration to Azure App Service. Azure Data Box. Migrate offline data. Use Azure Data Box products to move large amounts of offline data to Azure. So that's an overview of the integrated tools in Azure Migrate.